Solve each factored quadratic equation, drag the correct answer to each problem. Now this one's pretty easy. I mean, all you have to do is apply the zero product property to these factored equations. So what you do is you set each factor equal to 0 and then solve from there. So for this first one, we'll do the work down here. It's 3x plus 4 equals 0. And you can also have 2x minus 3 equals 0. Then we'll go ahead and solve each one of these. Subtract 4. So you get 3x equals negative 4. And then divide by 3. So x equals negative 4/3. And then for the other one, add 3 to both sides. 2x equals 3. Then divide by 2. X equals 3/2. So you always want to put your answers in increasing order. Your answers for this one is going to be x equals negative 4/3 and 3/2. So this one matches here. And then you do the same thing for the rest of these. For the 3x minus 4 equals 0, you add 4, and you get 3x equals 4, divide by 3, x equals 4/3. And then for the other one, 2x plus 3 equals 0, subtract 3 from both sides. 2x equals negative 3, divide by 2, and you're going to get x equals negative 3/2. So you should have x equals negative 3/2, comma 4/3. As I'm looking at the answers match here. This one should actually be written the other way. It should be x equals negative 3/2, comma 4/3. But I'll go ahead and match it up because the values are the same. Let's look at this next one. 4x plus 3 equals 0, and 3x minus 2 equals 0. So we're going to subtract 3 from both sides here, and get 4x equals negative 3, divide by 4, x equals negative 3/4. And then for the next one, add 2. 3x equals 2, divide by 3, so x equals 2/3. So it's x equals negative 3/4, comma 2/3. And that matches with the first one. So then you're going to go ahead and do this process one more time. You're going to have 4x minus 3 equals 0. So add 3 to both sides. 4x equals 3, divide by 4. X equals 3/4. That's one answer. The other one is going to be found by doing 3x plus 2 equals 0. Subtract 2 from both sides. 3x equals negative 2. Then divide by 3. X equals negative 2/3. So your answer should be x equals negative 2/3, comma 3/4. And this one matches here. Once again, these answers here should be written in increasing order. There should be negative 2/3 and 3/4, but you should be able to recognize also that the values are the same. You have x equals negative 2/3 and 3/4. So in a matching situation, you can go ahead and match them like this. Alright, so that's an example of using the zero product property to solve for quadratic equations.